When you hold a Petoskey stone, you're holding a piece of living legend. The name for the Petoskey stone actually comes from an Ottawa family, where a French fur trader married an Ottawa princess, and while the couple was traveling, the princess had her baby near the shores of Lake Michigan, and this baby was named after the rays of the first morning sun landing on his skin. The term Petoskey is an anglicized version of his name, Petoskey, which means rising sun. This Ottawan baby actually went on to become a very prolific fur trader as well, and a leader in the Ottawan community. And when I think of finding a Petoskey stone, I think of it almost as good luck because of the life that this baby ended up leading. The origin of the rock itself is just as cool as the origin of the name for it. The Petoskey stone is actually a colony coral. These colony coral lived in a shallow marine environment that is a relic of when Michigan used to be at or near the equator and was actually an inland sea. It really gives Great Barrier Reef vibes. So imagine beautiful clear water, coral everywhere, and fish swimming around. A lot of the geology of Michigan is dominated by this sedimentary environment past. The Petoskey stone is no exception. The Petoskey stone consists of little hexagons. It's almost like a honeycomb structure where each hexagon was its own coral polyp. And a colony coral grows by one polyp actually growing off of another, kind of like what you'd see in a beehive. That's what a colony coral actually is. Many genetically identical polyps sharing one stony skeleton. Over millions of years, these corals were buried, fossilized, and then locked in limestone, now known as the Alpina limestone, which is part of the Traverse group of rocks. So when you're holding a Petoskey stone, you're actually holding the fossilized remains of this marine environment over 350 million years ago. Obviously, Michigan is no longer an inland equatorial sea. Otherwise, my vacation right now would look very different. Over 350 million years, tectonics brought Michigan north. And during the Pleistocene, so this glacial period, glaciers were picking pieces of this limestone and spreading it across all of Michigan, which is why you can find these Petoskey stones all over the state and not just in one location. So it's more than just a really cool looking rock. It's an insight into the past, not only culturally for Michigan, but geologically. So the next time you're walking a Michigan shoreline and looking for really cool rocks, keep an eye out for that honeycomb pattern holding sunbursts that represent an ancient reef and the sun hitting an Ottawan baby's face for the first time. I'm the Cosmic Geologist, and if you like stories like these, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Lake Michigan 拆亮的回忆是人好像跟岁月去私奔 back to the